Git Bisect. Finding which commit introduced a bug. What is Git Bisect? Git Bisect is a powerful debugging tool that helps you find which commit introduced a bug by using a binary search algorithm. It automatically narrows down the problematic commit by testing the midpoint between a known good commit and a known bad commit. When to use Git Bisect. Regression bugs. When a feature that was previously working suddenly stops working after several commits. Performance issues. When your application suddenly becomes slower, and you need to identify which commit caused the slowdown. Test failures. When automated tests start failing and you need to find which commit broke the tests. Large commit history. When you have many commits between the last known good state and the current broken state. Git Bisect. Basic workflow. Step 1. Start the bisect process. Step 2. Mark a known good commit. Step 3. Mark a known bad commit. Step 4. Git checks out a commit halfway between good and bad. Step 5. Test and mark as good or bad. Step 6. Repeat until Git identifies the first bad commit. Start the bisect process using the command git bisect start. Mark the current commit as bad using the command git bisect bad. Mark a known good commit using the command git bisect good, followed by the commit hash. After testing, mark the current commit as good using the command git bisect good, or mark it as bad using the command git bisect bad. End the bisect session using the command git bisect reset. Git Bisect. Visual example. This visual example shows the binary search process to find the first bad commit. The timeline represents the commit history, with commits marked as good, bad, unknown, or the current test commit. The process involves testing commits and marking them as either good or bad to narrow down the range until the problematic commit is found. A legend is provided to explain what each color represents. Git Bisect. Practical example. Scenario: finding a bug. Imagine you have a web application that was working fine last week, but now has a critical bug in the login functionality. You know the bug wasn't present in commit A1B2C3D last week, but it exists in the current commit E4F5G6H. There are dozens of commits between these 2 points, and manually checking each one would be time-consuming. Git Bisect can help you quickly identify which commit introduced the bug. First, start the bisect process. Then mark the current commit as bad. After that, mark a known good commit as good. Then test the application. Next, mark the current commit as bad. The output shows the bisecting process, indicating how many revisions are left to test, and the current commit being checked. Git Bisect. Automated testing. Automating the bisect process. Git Bisect can be automated with a script that tests each commit and returns the appropriate exit code. Exit code 0. The commit is good. Exit code 1 to 127, except 125. The commit is bad. Exit code 125. The test couldn't be run. This automation is perfect for large repositories with many commits and bugs that can be detected with automated tests. Here is an example script to show how automated testing can be done. To make the script executable, use the command chmod plus xtest_script.sh. Run git bisect with the script by first stating git bisect start, then stating git bisect bad head, then stating git bisect good v1.0, and then stating git bisect run./test_script.sh. Git Bisect. Advanced options. Skip commits. Skip commits that can't be tested, for example, broken builds, without marking them as good or bad. The command is git bisect skip. Log results. Get a summary of the bisect session when you found the first bad commit. The command is git bisect log. Bisect by time. Find commits by date rather than commit count, which is useful for repositories with uneven commit distribution. The command is git bisect start, followed by /first parent. Visualize bisect. Use Git's visualization tools to see the bisect process graphically. The commands are git bisect visualize or git k --bisect. Git bisect, best practices. Use consistent testing. Ensure your test procedure is consistent across all commits to avoid false positives or negatives. Choose good boundaries. Select a known good commit that's as close as possible to when you suspect the bug was introduced. Automate when possible. Create scripts to automate testing, especially for bugs that can be reliably reproduced. Document your findings. Save the bisect log and document what you learned about the bug and its fix for future reference. Verify after finding. After identifying the problematic commit, verify that it truly introduced the bug by testing the commits before and after it. Clean working directory. Start with a clean working directory to avoid interference from uncommitted changes. Git bisect is like a superpower for debugging. It transforms what could be hours of manual testing into a systematic process that quickly pinpoints exactly where things went wrong. This quote is from an experienced Git user. Git bisect, summary. Key takeaways. Git bisect uses binary search to efficiently find the commit that introduced a bug. It dramatically reduces debugging time, especially in repositories with many commits. Automation with scripts makes the process even more efficient. The basic workflow is: start, mark good or bad commits, test, and repeat until the culprit is found. Advanced options like skip, visualize, and log enhance the bisect experience. Further resources: official Git documentation, git-scm.com/docs/git-bisect. Pro Git Book, Chapter 7.10, git-scm.com/books/v2. Git bisect tutorial videos on YouTube. Practice with interactive tutorials. Learn gitbranching.js.org. Git bisect cheat sheet. github.com/git-tips/tips. Thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.